Integrated Township Scheme is a multifaceted provision in the MRNTP Act, which revolves around an extremely varied group of stakeholders from the principal developer to the end user. On one hand, it aims at providing housing in a self-sustaining green built environment, catering to all the income groups of the society. And on the other hand, it will surely provide new business opportunities for the real estate, construction and infrastructure development companies. But all these new business opportunities will definitely pose new challenges so far unknown to all the stakeholders. And therefore, there is dire need for exchange of thoughts and sharing of experiences and thereby gain from the knowledge and experience of some pioneers who have already implemented the scheme successfully. With this objective in mind, MIT College of Management, Pune is organizing a 2-day symposium on its Kothurud campus titled Integrated Township Development Gateway to Self-Sustained Greener Cities. The 2-day symposium aims at intellectual interaction amongst architects, urban planners, town planners, government representatives, developers, real estate, construction and infrastructure development companies on topics like township concept, legal environment, urban design and building legislation, land acquisition and financing, infrastructure for townships and risk management. All these topics shall be elaborately discussed by using various forms like lecture, interviews and open discussions. MIT College of Management has taken this initiative to fulfill its social obligation as an institute active in the project and infrastructure management fields. But nevertheless, all such initiatives need strong financial support to make such activities successful. We therefore appeal to all of you to please support this initiative in every way you can, and let's work together towards well-planned, self-sustaining, greener cities for the future. Thank you.